Test your English. Have to or has to, Part 2. There are 10 questions, and you have 10 seconds for each question to answer. The answer will be shown after the time is up. Write your score in the comment section. Number 1. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. Sasha doesn't have to leave now. Have to. Number 2. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. Does my sister have to return the toys tonight? Have to. Number 3. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. The door has to be locked before leaving. Has to. Number 4. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. Your left eye has to be closed for a while. Has to. Number 5. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. The lazy people have to get rid of their bad habits. Have to. Number 6. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. Everyone has to respect each other. Has to. Number 7. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. It has to be eaten by him. Has to. Number 8. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. It doesn't have to be repainted. Have to. Number 9. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. Your kid has to be kind to his friends. Has to. Number 10. Question. Have to or has to? Answer. Your children have to be more careful while walking. Have to. Please write your score in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.